In this class, we are going to learn about the degrees of comparison. Seventh lesson in the grammar part, degrees of comparison. We use adjectives to show the comparison between two or more people, animal or things. We use adjectives. About adjectives we studied in the last class. We use adjectives to compare to show comparison between two or more people or animals or things. See, we use adjectives to show the comparison between two or more people or animal or things. See, the form of the adjective changes when we compare in different degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison. One is the positive degree, another one is comparative degree, third one is superlative degree. In all these degrees of comparison, we use adjectives. We use adjectives to show the comparison between two or more. See, in comparative degree, we use this two here more. We will learn one by one. First one, the positive degree. Here, adjectives are used when no comparison is involved. See, in a positive degree, we use adjectives when no comparison is involved. See, very clear. No comparison. For example, Raju is a tall boy. Here, Raju is a noun. Here, boy is also a noun. Here, tall boy. Tall is an adjective used in this sentence. Raju is a tall boy. Here, this adjective we use it in the positive degree. So, no comparison is involved here. We did not compare Raju with anyone. We did not compare Raju with anyone. So, the sentence shows that no comparison is involved in this sentence. See, this is positive degree. Another example, Nikhil is a young man or young boy, whatever. See, Nikhil is a young boy. Here, young is an adjective we used in this sentence as a positive degree. Here, clearly we can understand no comparison is involved. This is about the positive degree. It's It's important. In a positive degree, no comparison is involved. Next, second one, comparative degree. Here adjectives are used to compare when we compare two or we use adjectives to compare two people, people or animals or things. In a positive degree, we don't compare with anyone. See, no comparison is involved, but in a comparative degree, the name says comparative. Here we compare with another one. See, to compare two people or animal or things, we compare with another one. See, one example, positive degree is clear now? We took the example, Raju is a tall boy. Example here for comparative degree, Raju is taller than Ravi. Here in this sentence, in this example, Raju is a name of a person. It comes under this. Raju is taller than Ravi. We use tall in the positive degree. There was no comparison, but here we compare Raju with Ravi. Okay, we compare Raju with Ravi. So we compare using this adjective. Tall we used here in a comparative degree. It changes as taller. Then it's very important. We have to add than in the comparative degree. One more example. Nikhil is a young man. Nikhil is younger than. Same example I am taking. Nikhil is in a positive degree. We took Nikhil is a young man. Nikhil is younger than Sushil. Okay. Here younger, and very important, that must be used in the comparative degree. When we compare with another person or animal or thing, here Raju is taller than Ravi. We can't say Raju is taller Ravi. We have to use this. It's must and should. See, Nikhil is younger than Sushil. See here in the positive degree we use tall. In the comparative degree we use taller. See, what is the change? We add ER, young, we added ER to the adjective we use in the positive degree. In some cases, say, large, there is E here, we just added R. In some cases we add ER, in some cases we add just R. And another example, See, in a comparative degree, more also can be used. See, for example, the Taj Mahal is more beautiful than Red Fort. See, more also can be used while comparing with another more used, and also it is must and should, than must be used here. For some adjective we cannot add er or r, so we have to take more. For some adjectives, see here, for beautiful we cannot say beautiful or say more beautiful. Okay. Next, last one, the superlative degree. In this degree of comparison, adjectives are used when we compare more than two people. See, we use adjectives to compare more than two people or animals or things. See, more than two. In the superlative degree, we compare with more than two. In the comparative, in superlative degree, we compare with more than two people or animal or things. In the comparative degree, we compare with two objects. Here, comparison between two objects, two people or animal or things. Here, more than two. Example, the same example I am taking, Raju. In the positive degree, we took the example as Raju is a tall boy. In the comparative degree, we changed it as Raju is taller than Ravi. Raju is the tallest boy in the class. See, one by one. Here, tallest, because it is the superlative degree. So, taller, here, tallest. And in the comparative degree, we used than. Here, the is compulsory because it is superlative degree. While using adjectives in the previous class, a, an, and the, we know that before superlative degree, we have to use, see, tallest is in superlative degree, so we have to use word adjective the. Article, okay. Article, the should be used before this. Tallest boy in the class, we have to add this. We cannot stop up to here. Compare more than two people or animal or things. In the class presence, more, there will be more than two. Okay. Not two. If there are two, we use comparative degree. When comparison is involved, more than two people or things or animal, we use superlative degree. Another example, say Nikhil is a young man. We took it as positive degree. In the comparative degree, Nikhil is younger than Sushil, and here Nikhil is the should be used. Nikhil is the youngest man in the group or whatever we can add. Here youngest adjective we use it here in the superlative degree. Young now as youngest, and the must be added in the superlative degree. See, in your textbook, page number 68, see, degrees of comparison, adjectives to show the comparison between two or more people or animal or things. See, comparison is highlighted. It's the main thing here. Degrees of comparison. The form of adjective changes when we make these comparisons. See, taller. In the positive degree, we used tall. In the comparative degree, it was taller. In the superlative degree, it is the tallest. Here, when we make this comparison, see, there are 3 degrees of comparison. The positive degree of an adjective. Here in this, adjectives are used when no comparison is involved. See, Nikhil is a young boy. There is no comparison with the other. Okay. An elephant is a big animal. The comparative degree of an adjective is used when we compare two people. Very important. Two is should be underlined here. In a comparative degree, we compare two people or animal or things. We compare with another. See, we add R or ER to most adjectives to form their comparative degree. R or ER. I gave the example. Taller, larger. In the larger, we add just R. See, in some cases, we add more before the adjective. I gave the example as Taj Mahal is more beautiful than Red Fort. See, more we used in the comparative degree, more before the adjectives. We often use than with the comparative degree. It is must and should. Than should be used in the comparative degree. While comparing, see, taller than, greater than, more beautiful than. See, Nikhil is younger than Sahil. See, young now changed as younger, and than is added extra. See, in comparative degree, than must be used. An elephant is a big animal in the positive degree. Here, an elephant is bigger than lion. See, bigger, big changed as bigger, and than should be added. In the superlative degree, adjectives are used when we compare more than two people or animal or things. See, here nothing, no comparisons involved. Here two, comparison between two. Here comparison between more than two in the superlative degree. In the superlative degree, see, taller here, tallest, est or st to the adjectives are use most before the adjectives to form their superlative degree. It is often used with the article the. It is important. The article the should be used in the superlative degree. See, the youngest. We cannot say the youngest. We have to use the youngest, the biggest, the most sensible. See, the should be used. See, same example, change it here. Nikhil is the youngest boy in the class. Youngest younger, youngest. See, an elephant is the biggest animal in the jungle. Bigger. Now here as biggest. So the is important. Roma is the most sensible in her family. See, the most. See, here we used more, no? More beautiful. We can here change it as most beautiful. See, note the different ways of making comparison. See, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Here, tall changed as taller, tallest. In a positive degree, tall, comparative degree, taller. In the superlative degree, tallest. Say in the same way, here we just added ER. In the comparative degree, we added EST, tallest, EST. Bigger, biggest. Here double the last letter and add ER or EST. Because here big, there is only one G. In the word bigger, G should be double. Here also same. Bigger, biggest. ER and EST should be added in the comparative and superlative degree. Easy, easier, easiest. Instead of Y, we used IE. Easier. We cannot use EASYER. EASIER and easiest. EASIEST. Here we have to remove Y and add I and ER or EST. See, larger, largest. We have to just add R here. Just add ST here. Here we added ER or EST. Here just added R or ST. Beautiful. We took the example. See here. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Bad, worse, worst. Here change. We have to change the word. See, for example, good. In the comparative degree, better. Here, best, the best. Okay, for these words we have to use the tallest, the biggest, the easiest, the largest, the most beautiful. We don't use the here and the worst or the best. Okay. And here there are some incorrect use of adjectives, very important. See, sometimes we use adjectives incorrectly. Vikram is more better looking than John. See, better, good, better, best. So, better should be used in the comparative degree. More we cannot use. Two adjectives cannot be used in the, together. Vikram is better looking than John. Vikram is better looking than John is a correct sentence. See, we removed more. Okay, Mumbai is the most largest city of India. Mumbai is the largest city in India. See, most largest we cannot use. The largest is the superlative degree. The largest we use it correctly. See, never use two comparatives or two superlatives together. See, a most and largest, two superlatives we cannot use together, and two comparatives also. See, more, better together we cannot use. Okay. Thank you.